Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into WorkCover Queensland. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your account. First thing first, open a preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap in there and type in WorkCover Queensland login, since we're going to log in, and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one, and there you go, you'll be greeted with a login page. You can see 2 empty fields. All you got to do is fill in those, and okay, let's go. You have to, in the first field, you have to type a username. And at the second field, you have to type in your password. And also, if you have forgotten your username or even your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option right below the username that says forgot a username. If you've forgotten a username, you can tap in there. And in case you've forgotten your password, you can tap in this option that says forgot your password. And also, if you want to register, there's a different area for that. Whether you want to register for Worker Assist or either register for Provider Connect or WorkCover Connect, you can just type in this option right below. And if you have any trouble, like if you forgot your password or even you need help logging in, you can tap in this option right here. But since we have already filled in all the necessary fields, all we gotta do is tap in that blue button that says log in, and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.